When I came across Gravastar's Mars Pro on Instagram, I thought this was like some kind of futuristic toy that I must have. Little did I know it was an actual Bluetooth speaker. I'm actually warming up to the whole Bluetooth speaker thing because they are a quick solution when I need to hear my music in places I can't build a hi-fi system in. So when this opportunity came across my desk, I was so down. Let's get to it.
Bluetooth connected.
The build process wasn't as hard as it may seem, and Gravastar provides all the tools and instructions necessary to make the experience quick and easy. The one I've got here is the Mars Pro Shark 14 edition, priced competitively at $299. Now, let's talk build quality. This bad boy is crafted from a zinc alloy, heavy. Crazy, right? Which not only screams durability, but also gives it this luxurious premium feel. And the design is a visual treat. Every inch of it channels this incredible mecha sci-fi vibe sprinkled with hints of a rugged post-apocalyptic world. Trust me, it's not just a speaker, it's a statement piece. People will talk about this. If your aesthetic leans towards this vibe, I bet you're going to be as impressed as I am with Gravastar's attention to detail. Okay, so once I had this beauty assembled, naturally my curiosity got the better of me. I mean, how does this thing actually work, right? Adjusting the volume couldn't be so easy peasy. Thanks to its highly sensitive touch control up here, just a gentle touch and you can dial up or tone down the music. Funny story, I stumbled upon this feature by sheer accident. Yes, literally touched it and suddenly my music was blasting through the wall. I found this to be one of the coolest features because I just didn't expect it. On the back of the speaker's top shell are 3 strategically placed buttons. First up, we've got the Bluetooth 5.0 pairing button. This was actually easier than it should have been. I paired it with my Samsung S21 Ultra and boom! Boom shakalaka! We were connected almost instantly. Oh, and fun tidbit, if you've got another Mars unit, you can actually pair them together for that true wireless stereo sound, which is awesome. At 15 hours of battery life, you could definitely make some good use of the Mars Pro as a full-blown stereo system. The next button is the power button. Pretty self-explanatory.
Bluetooth connected.
And the final button controls the speaker's integrated lighting. Blue, purple or more blue, orange, green, pink, red. Red is how I like it because it matches the aesthetic of the thing. The speaker has a dynamic lighting system across its structure, offering 6 different lighting options, as you can see. These lights are responsive to the music, providing an extremely cool visual experience to accompany the audio. Definitely a vibe. Let's explore the heart of the Mars Pro, the sound. Under the hood, you've got a combination of a bass driver in there, and a tweeter right there, and a passive radiator on the back. Now, what caught my ear was the surprising depth of the bass, a bit punchier than one might anticipate. Now, at high volumes, I did notice the sound leaning towards the brighter side of things, but overall, I'd say it delivers a solid audio performance, easily filling up a medium-sized room with immersive sound. Now, will most use it as a Bluetooth speaker? Who knows? I honestly will probably use it as a collectible first and speaker second. I mean, there is nothing on the market that looks like this. Super cool and has functionality, right? This is a Skynet level type of Bluetooth speaker. Overall, I give this Bluetooth speaker my stamp of approval. It's a perfect blend for collectors, fans of the post-apocalyptic aesthetic, or simply anyone in the market for a really nice Bluetooth speaker that delivers both on form and function. If you're into it, I'll leave a link below. If you enjoyed this video and liked me taking a break from my usual topics and exploring other avenues in audio, make sure to destroy the like button.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified every time a new video is born. With all that said and done, I will see you on the next one, guys. Take care, my friends. This thing's freaking cool. It's gonna live right there. Boom. How's that look? Good? No? Ooh.